Hi guys, in this video we are discussing question number 1 to 6 of geography. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. So here, question number 1 to 6 which we are discussing here. So that you can see from 1, 2 and 3 all are 40 to 60 words and the chapters are given here. The chapter belongs to. And question number 4 and question number 5 about 100 to 150 words. And question number 6 is a project based answer. So if you want these answers because we have prepared according to the chapter wise and according to the word limits, so you can contact us anytime and we will provide all the answers accordingly. And thank you so much for watching. We are here for help you anytime, so thank you, welcome. And